promising and now a certified star.
Hello po. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming here and thank you for showing your love and support. And sorry medyo
Grabe,
late po
no?
ulit kami.
No, we're good. Ayan, it's gonna be worth it, sabi ko nga sa kanya. And of course, ang ating director. Please welcome Direct Theodore Ted Boborol. Hi, Direct Ted. Please.
Good morning po. Thank you po.
Ayan, so we're waiting for Ken, but definitely he's gonna be here in no time. But bago dumating si Ken, we'd like to show you the updated. This is the full trailer of Just the Way You Are. Please watch this. Watch this. Charos.
A boy who lives to win.
Alam mo kasi, Drake, you should never play with girls' feelings. Hindi dapat nilalaro ang love.
A girl who has nothing to lose.
Sigurado ka na ba talaga na ayaw mo nang bumalik ng States?
Wala naman po akong babalikan dun eh. Wala na kaming bahay, wala na kaming pera, wala na rin si mommy.
And the bet that will change the rules.
30 days, dude. 30 days to make a girl fall in love with you.
Sino?
Siya. Before it hits 12 noon, Sophia is mine. What? What are you doing here? Can't you see I'm taking a shower? Don't you know how to knock?
Tusi ka pa ba sa Drake season na yun, oh?
Wala akong oras sa mga kalokohan na yan.
Kalokohan ba ang tawag sa pag-ibig?
Love, pustahan, sugal, they're all the same. In the end, palagi kang talo.
Ang uwi mo naman, ano ka ba?
Kung ikaw madali lang sa'yo magtapon ng mga bagay, ako hindi. Hindi ko nagugustuhan na halos hindi ka na umuwi dito sa bahay. May problema ba tayo?
Hi.
Hi. Drake!
May problema ka na naman sa daddy mo, dude. Bakit di mo na lang sabihin sa mami mo ang problema mo? Para hindi mo sinosolo yan.
It's sad when your heart gets broken. But you know what's more sad? Hindi ka naman masasaktan kung hindi mo mahal yung tao mo.
Star Cinema presents with pride this year's breakout love team. Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano.
Tomboy ka ba?
Hindi mo ba naisip na baka hindi lang talaga kita type?
How do I get you?
Question is, are you man enough to find out?
Love is a game of chances. Are you willing to risk your all to be loved just the way you are?
What are you doing here?
I want to know your secret so bad. I'm gonna be with you 24/7.
Directed by Theodore Boborol, June 17 in cinemas nationwide.
Ano ba naman? Nakakaloka naman. That's the full trailer. Hindi po namin to na-air ng press con, but tayo po ang unang nakakita. Aside from it's airing on television. Ayan po ang full trailer ng Just the Way You Are. Nakakaloka. First time nangyari ito. Everyone's here outside just to see Liza. No less than our Chief Finance Officer is here, Miss Bev. Gusto kang makita. And Miss Anna andito. And the booking department. Sobra. If this a gauge, we have a blockbuster. Ayan, June 17 na po. Okay. Who would like to shoot the first question? Siguro ang ating butihing profesora here, Mami Jo. Mami Jo, sige na, huwag ka nang umarte. Alam ko naman, na-expect mo yan. Charot. But before your question, ayan po nakikita natin in time for the movie's theatrical launch this June 17. ABS-CBN has come up with a licensed movie merchandise such as mags, tumblers, and other novelty items. These limited edition collectibles will be available during the Just the Way You Are mall visits this June 13 and 14 in SM Cinemas nationwide starting June 17 and online via www.abs-cbnstore.com. Okay. Thank you. That's from ABS-CBN Store. Your question, Mami Jo.
Congratulations po sa inyong film and Miss Liza.
May babagal pa ba sa pagsasalita mo? Charot. Taas ng energy.
Medyo naubos. What made this movie difficult to make for you, especially Liza?
Difficult. Did you find it difficult doing this movie? Ganun ba yun, Mami Jo?
Hindi. Or what are the scenes that was difficult for you to do?
Ayun.
Noong una po yung schedule siguro kasi
Schedule.
putol-putol po kami mag-shoot noong una. So, syempre nakakalimutan po yung mga continuity, yung pinanggagalingan ng emotions, pero syempre tinutulungan naman kami ni Direk po. Tapos, ano pang difficult? Siguro yung character din naman. Mahirap din naman i-portray si Sofia kasi hindi siya that big of a character. And coming from playing Agnes, she's a very big character. So minsan siguro napipick up ko yung mannerisms na ginagamit ko kay Agnes. Ayun, yung isang scene sa trailer, yung Are You Man Enough to Find
Correct,
Out?
oo.
Sobrang hiyang-hiya ako gawin yun.
At 17, mahirap talaga yan.
Nagpaturo pa ako dun sa script ko namin kung paano. Pati kay Direk, tinuruan niya
Siguro,
ako.
itutuloy mo direct. Gusto mo bang ayunan yung sinabi ni Liza?
Ayun, hirap kami dun sa scene na yun, yung Are You Man Enough to Find Out. Kasi nahihiya siya, may inhibition siya, ang daming tao. So yun, so tinulungan naman siya ni Ken.
Si Ken magaling dyan.
Sa harot, magaling si Ken. Charot.
Siguro
Ayan.
for the writers, what made this book difficult to write for you also?
Sa akin po kasi, kailangan kong alamin kung ano yung gusto ng mga readers kasi parang kailangan ko silang ma-please, 'di ba, sa pagsusulat. Yung mahirap po siguro dito yung paglabas din ng emotion kasi pag writer ka, pag nasasaktan yung character mo, pati ikaw nasasaktan. Meron din kasing time dito na nung sinulat ko yung libro, pati ako umiyak kasi nasaktan ako para dun sa mga characters.
Si Miss Carmi adapting the novel too.
Oo, how's it? Miss Carmi and Miss Maan.
Ano po, syempre, mahirap yun kasi galing siya sa libro. Tapos may mga expectations na yung mga readers nung libro, tapos marami pang gulo. So parang sa amin, ano siya, parang kung paano namin siya gagawing more visual. Tapos paano namin i-enhance pa yung story na hindi namin madidisappoint yung mga nakabasa na nung libro. Ayun.
Miss Carm. Okay.
My
Go
last
ahead.
question would probably be, was it innate of you, Liza, to be completely pure and simple and people love the way you are because you're, no makeup, simple, just natural you. Oo. May nagturo ba sa'yo how to be?
Hindi naman siguro si OG Diaz na nagturo sa'yo ng no makeup, ano?
Wala naman po siguro
Ang ganda
nagturo
niya,
sa akin.
ano?
Ganun lang po talaga ako. Ewan ko po, nahihiya po. Innate lang yung. Tapos, yung sa character po kasi, yung pagsulat niyo sa book, the description of the character talaga is simple. Simple lang talaga. But, of course, for the movie, they kind of tweaked it up a bit. Parang they made my eyebrows thicker. Yung braces, which is, hindi naman ganun yung character ni Sophia Taylor in the book. But just to make it more funny or likable, siguro they, And yeah, to make me more plain siguro but not naman ugly.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Mami Jo. Napipindot yata yung ilaw na mamatayan tayo ng ilaw. Ayan. Nasasandalan yata. Okay, thank you, Mami Jo. Andito rin palang ang head ng booking and distribution, si Tita Dory, who is also a Liz Ken admirer. Okay, next question. Who would like to shoot the next question? Ay, si Jude is here na ba? Ay, pa-arte. Kunwari gustong tawagin. Alam naman na tatawagin ko. Kunwari nakatungo. Jude, hi Jude. How are you? Ayan. Yan, nag-blush na. English yan ha. Ready kayo.
My God.
Go, Jude.
Kay directed. Kasi as far as I know, merong isang TV movie na with the same title na Just the Way You Are. I don't know kung siya sa basta meron akong na-encounter. Yung character kasi doon, yung babae, parang she lost spark doon sa she's a matchmaker pero na-lost yung spark niya sa husband niya. Sa tingin mo ba if you were in the situation, kasi this is supposed to be for Ken's question.
We can ask him later.
But if you were in this situation, kung nasa isang date ka, ano yung gusto mong ma-discover ka or anong ma-surprise ka?
Talagang si Directed ang tinanong mo.
Si Direk po, no boyfriend since birth.
Or the writers can answer that. Bigla.
Si Carmi, kayang-kayang sagutin ni Carmi.
Kayang-kaya ni Miss
Miss
Carmen.
Carmi, may sagot
Miss
ka
Carmi,
doon?
mga hugot lines sa